Leo the Otter was a skilled mechanic who could fix anything from cars to refrigerators. One day, he received a call from a wealthy client who needed his expertise in repairing a fridge that had stopped working. The client lived in a lavish mansion located in the countryside, so Leo had to pack his tools and drive a long way to get there. As soon as Leo arrived at the mansion, he was greeted by the client, who led him to the kitchen where the faulty fridge was. Leo opened the fridge door and noticed that the problem was not electrical, but rather something unusual. When he reached inside the fridge, he felt a cold breeze that made him shiver. But he was determined to fix the fridge and started inspecting it thoroughly. While tinkering with the fridge, Leo noticed a strange glow coming from the back of the fridge. He saw a small opening that seemed to lead somewhere. As curious as he was, Leo decided to check it out. He squeezed himself into the opening and found himself falling through a portal into a pink dimension. The sky was pink, and everything was decorated in different shades of pink. Leo rubbed his eyes, thinking he was dreaming, but he wasn't. He, in fact, found himself surrounded by pink penguins, who welcomed him to their dimension and offered him to share their secret knowledge. The pink penguins were friendly creatures, who were renowned for their wisdom and knowledge. They had lived in the dimension for centuries, and had discovered many secrets that could help the world. Leo was amazed, and eager to learn more, so he asked the penguins how he could help them. The pink penguins explained that their world was becoming unstable due to the imbalance of energy. They believed that mending the balance would save their dimension from disappearing. Leo listened to their plea, and decided that he needed to help them. He shared his knowledge of mechanics, and offered to fix a broken power generator that had been causing the issue. After working hard, Leo was finally able to repair the generator, which filled the dimension with harmony and happiness again. The pink penguins were overjoyed, and thanked Leo for his help. As reward, they shared their vast knowledge with him, and he was able to return home, enriched with new ideas and concepts. Leo returned to the mansion, where he repaired the fridge with ease, and the bespoke client was impressed with his work. However, Leo had something more valuable than money, and that was the knowledge he had gained. Leo left the mansion with a renewed sense of purpose, vowing to share his newfound knowledge with the world.